boy Basit and monkey named Mono walk to the zoo where the big trees grow slow. They giggle and chatter as they stroll along, ready for animals big and strong. Oh, Basit, oh, Mono, what will you see? Lions that roar and the buzzing of bees, wobbling penguins and a kangaroo. Oh, what a day at the big bright zoo. The giraffe bends down to peek at them close. Mono laughs loud, says it looks like a hose. An elephant sprays with water so cool. Basit slips, giggles, falls right in the pool.